Amazing morning, mentor. So today, we will do something very, very exciting, which is ang clicking ng ating Just For You Jade bonus! Yes, o, diba? So, before anything else, we need to log in sa ating online business tracking account. Log in that im-worldwidecorp.com with your username and password. So, ito guys, nakikita natin, no? Right now, I have 137 directs and 22.6 million. So, mamaya madadagdagan po yan ng another 200,000 pesos. So, to click our Just For You Jade, punta lang tayo sa e-wallet history. Okay, and then, yan, dito natin makikita ang tally board if meron kang mga directs na executive, may direct ka na gold, platinum, jade, dito mo siya makikita para maklik mo ang Just For You. So, as you can see, we have our jade package, 4. So, meron tayong 4 na jade. All we have to do is click 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, kailangan lang natin ng 4 na jade package para maklik natin ang Just For You. Okay. So, after that, so, tama yan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4 na jade. Click Submit. And, eto na! Transfer successful. Napakabilis, guys. Punta tayo sa dashboard. Yung kaninang 22.6 million. Tingnan natin kung nadagdagan na siya ng additional 200,000 pesos. And, eto na! Wow! So, from 22.6 naging 22.8 million pesos na ang ating income dito sa IM Worldwide. Thank you, Lord, and thank you so much sa IM Worldwide kasi posible pala talagang kumita ng ganun kalaki. Diba? And kung pupunta po tayo sa weekly sales para makita natin kung pumasok na, grabe no, nakakabaliw. Kasi unlimited po ang ating Just For You. Every 4 new referrals, pwede ka pong magkaroon ng additional 200,000. O, diba? So, as you can see, pumasok ang direct referral, yung pang-4 natin ng Jade, may Infinity, may Just For You. Yes, thank you, Lord. 200,000. Plus yung other ways of earning na IM Worldwide, total of 262,000 pesos as of today, February 2. O, diba? Meron pa tayong Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for our cut-off. Diba? So, nakakabaliw kasi alam ko, meron pa akong hindi na-click na 69,000. Tapos, ngayong paparating na Tuesday cut-off, meron pang additional na 200,000 plus, 262,000. So, grabe, no? Nakakabaliw talaga ang IM Worldwide. So, if you will ask me, is Just For You real? I can truly say, Just For You is real. So, yun lang. Thank you, guys. And, I hope na isa ka na rin sa mga tao na matulungan ng IM Worldwide through our napakagandang prosperity program here in our business. So, if ever na gusto mo, interesado ka at gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganito klase ng income, na yung Jade ko na 198.8 ay naging 22.8 million, just message me and I will be glad to assist you. Thank you and God bless everyone!